Encountering the error message. Encountered an unknown error. Retrieving your data can be a source of frustration, especially when you're in the middle of critical tasks. This issue typically arises due to temporary glitches, outdated software, or conflicts caused by browser settings or extensions. While the exact cause might vary, several effective methods can help resolve this problem. In this guide, we'll explore practical solutions to restore access and functionality to your data seamlessly. Solution 1. Restart your browser or computer. One of the simplest fixes is to restart your browser or computer. Temporary glitches or conflicts in the system can often cause such errors, and a fresh start helps clear them out. By closing all open applications and rebooting your system, you allow it to reset its operations, potentially resolving the issue without further steps. Solution 2. Clear cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated cache and cookies stored by your browser can interfere with proper data retrieval. Clearing them often solves the problem. To do this, open your browser settings and navigate to the privacy section. Choose the option to clear browsing data, ensuring you select both cache and cookies before confirming the action. Once cleared, restart your browser and attempt to access the service again. Solution 3. Check for system maintenance or downtime. Sometimes this error may not be on your end, but due to ongoing system maintenance or temporary downtime by the service provider. Such maintenance activities are usually scheduled during off-peak hours and can affect data accessibility. It's a good idea to wait a while and try again, especially during weekends or late-night hours when updates are more common. Solution 4. Update your software. Using outdated software, whether it's your browser or the application involved, can lead to compatibility issues, triggering this error. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version by checking its settings or visiting the official website. Similarly, ensure that any related applications or plugins are also up to date. Solution 5. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions, while useful, can sometimes interfere with data retrieval processes. Disabling all extensions temporarily can help identify if one of them is the culprit. Access your browser's extension or add-on settings, turn them off, and retry accessing the service. If the error disappears, re-enable extensions one by one to pinpoint the problematic one and remove or replace it. By applying these solutions, you should be able to overcome the unknown error retrieving your data. If the issue persists, reaching out to the platform's customer support or technical assistance may be necessary for further investigation.